So today I want to talk about the iPadagogy wheel. I decided to do my video on this because I really thought it was this wheel is very beneficial to use, especially nowadays with technology being used in classrooms more and stuff like that. This really gives you the overall view of how the Bloom taxonomy, you know, like over the Bloom taxonomy and then the stuff that you can use for your section. So I really like that. It it really helps you and provides you with all these apps that you can use in order to fit into that category, which I think was very, very helpful, especially while creating lesson plans. Um, and I that's why I want to talk about the iPedagogy wheel. And not only that, but it helps you with the bigger picture of how it's gonna the outcomes, and then you know it deter and this really helps you interrogate, or not interrogate, but bring in technology into your lesson plans, and it helps students be more familiar with all this technology. And it's like you can use it whether it's like virtual or any of that stuff, or even if it's in person, because nowadays I believe schools now provide laptops or iPads to students. So I think this really helps overall set up, you know, the whole thing up. And it creates learners who are actively engaged, and they are able to learn in a more fun, creative way than just doing worksheets and stuff like that.